Hi, I'm Emily Hanlon. I'm the Executive Director for Food and Nutrition Services here in Cobb County. And I'm here today to talk a little bit about how we're going to be handling meals for our students going forward. The USDA is offering the opportunity for us to provide 2 meals a day, breakfast and lunch, for our students at no charge through December 31st of 2020. The USDA does only have a limited amount of funds for this program, and once those funds are out, we will go back to our normal school breakfast and school lunch program. So if you're a family who qualifies for free or reduced price meals via the application process or being on SNAP or TANF, we do need you to still complete your application for this school year. Because again, once these funds are gone, we will be back to our normal operations. We are continuing to do every Monday. And I would like to recommend every family do is check our Food and Nutrition Services website to make sure the location you want to pick up your meal from is available for pickup this week, and also what time the pickup is set up for. Now, elementary families, when your students come back, if you choose in-person learning starting October 5th, please know that we've put in a number of safety precautions. We're doing extra cleaning. We're moving to as much touchless and cashless service as we can provide at each school location to ensure the safety of your student. Now, if you choose for your student to be remote, have no worry. We still will provide our weekly meal kits for you to pick up. The one big change that you need to remember is that pickup day will change from Mondays, and it will now be on Wednesdays. So again, starting the week of October 5th, our meal pickup will be on Wednesday, October 7th for all remote learners. Any in-person learners, you will get additional information on how we will be providing meals for you for those Wednesdays when your children aren't at school. And I just really want to give a big thank you to all of our families who've taken the opportunity to come and try a meal with us if you haven't. And for those who have, we're so proud to continue to offer you these fabulous meals during this time.